Did you know you can create a pollinator-friendly habitat in your yard with little effort? Mow May is a growing movement to help crucial pollinators thrive by encouraging homeowners to let their lawns grow as the summer season approaches. Allowing the grass to grow lets early wildflowers bloom, which are crucial food sources for pollinators. The nectar provided by wild buds feeds bees, butterflies, beetles, hummingbirds, and more, helping biodiversity flourish at a critical time of the year. You can also help pollinators by planting native flowers and keeping urban gardens. In fact, studies show that even one potted plant can provide vital nutrients to pollinators at a time when global pollinator populations are in decline. Simple steps like these can make a big difference in helping pollinators thrive.